This video will introduce you to how to use the Wi-Fi module of the solar charge inverter. The Wi-Fi module has three parts: the antenna, the main body, and connecting cable. The first step is to assemble the antenna and main body. When connecting the cable, be sure to align it with the slot and securely fix the cable to the main body. The second step is to ensure that the inverter is powered on. Find the 4851 rupee interface and connect the cable. The indicator light on the Wi-Fi module will light up after being powered on. If the indicator light on the Wi-Fi module is not lit, please check the power status of the cable and inverter. You can use the installation holes on both sides of the module to fix the module on the wall. The third step is to download SmartS. You can search for it in the App Store or scan the QR code in the manual to download it. Please open the Wi-Fi settings menu on your phone. Find the Wi-Fi with the same name as the Wi-Fi module and connect to it. The default password is 12345678. Open SmartS, click on Toolbox, then click Wi-Fi Config. In the Wi-Fi list, select the Wi-Fi you need to connect to. Wait a moment, and the network connection will be automatically completed. If the connection fails, please check the phone's Wi-Fi settings and try again. The fourth step is to open SmartS after completing the network configuration. Click Register to register your account. Click the scan chart icon. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the module, and then fill in your account information and password to complete the registration. After registration, the data logger interface will display that the module has been bound. Don't worry. The data will be automatically updated after the machine has been running for a while. Within the app, you can view real-time operating parameters of the inverter, historical power generation, and comprehensive operational data. When a fault occurs, the app will alert you,